Hello everyone, welcome to the Rubik channel. The reverse video, I show you how to make the white the bottom layer and the second layer. And today I'm going to show you how to make the daisy flower, the yellow daisy flower on top here. Let's beginning. So when you see this one, you need to keep if they have one like this, one in the middle like this, or you see the line like this, so one formula for all, so you just turn at the front left to right and then do the hand right, then return and see, you can see the white cross. It's already done this part, so I just keep practicing. Turn right here, do this one. Only one here, keep doing. One line here, do the same. And the same, they have become the yellow daisy flower. And when you mix it, when you have this one, so you have to match the same color here. Red, turn to here, and then blue here, orange here, green here. Try to make the yellow flower. See, yellow flower here. And done. Thank you everyone for watching.